sand dollar. Alright, we are within the clade Deuterostomia, which is characterized during their embryonic development, in which their blastopore becomes the anus. In contrast to protostomes, their sister clade, the blastospore becomes the mouth. Deuterostomia includes chordata, hemichordata, and echinodermata. The sand dollar is a type of urchin which belongs in the phylum Echinodermata. That means our animal could be a chordate. Pufferfish. Utiliostemorpha or Utiliostii, clade of bony fishes within Teleostii, evolved some 240 million years ago. Utiliostii is divided into 4 different groups. Lepidogalaxiae, which only contains a single species, the salamander fish. Protacanthopterygiae, which includes fishes such as pike and salmon. Stomiatae includes dragonfishes and smelts. And finally, Neoteleostii, which is the most diverse clade within Utiliostii, in which the pufferfish belongs in. That means our animal has to be a non-neoteleost uteleost. Salmon. Alright, we are within the subfamily Salmoninae. Within the family Salmonidae includes salmon, trout, char, grayling, freshwater whitefishes, taimans, and lenox. Trout. And our animal is the rainbow trout.